Hey guys, I'm back. So, today we have a mail call. This is what I was talking about in the last video. It is the Starfish from Magnus that I found. He's not making these anymore because people did not like it. But I like his stuff and I wanted to try it out. So, a little paying homage to my friend Kevin Johnson. Got my little knife from Lefty EDC. This I got at the Knife Works. This is a Smith & Wesson. Anyway, I don't know anything about knives. This is the only thing that I know, but from watching his channel, I learned how to do this. Woo! And then it's got this little thing here, and I guess you're supposed to like shimmy it down, but I'm not cool enough, so I don't know how to do all that. So this is the only thing I have. So anyway, it was on sale. All right, so let's dig in. Let's dig into this thing. I don't want to. I know this is gonna be a weird way of opening it, but well, I wonder if I could. Yeah, I don't want to show you my address and all of that good stuff. Okay, here we go. This is the first unboxing I've ever done on YouTube. So you guys are, not doing so good. You guys are, oh jeez. Okay, I swear I'm okay. I'm okay, I'm okay. Okay. Maybe I'm not cool enough to use the knife. Let's just put that aside there. Okay. Oh, I'm excited. Okay, oh, I got it. Ooh, they gave me Rice Krispie treats. Oh my God. So the place that I ordered this from is a website called Plants Wake You Up. And I don't know how I even found that website, but they sell secondhand fidgets. Ooh, it's all melted. We got chocolatey drizzle Rice Krispie treats. That's pretty cool. Okay. So here's the thing. Oh, but I was like, hey, I don't care. I'll give him a tip. Okay. So here it is. Now, of course, it's used, so you're not going to get any original packaging. But oh man, here it is. Okay. So wow, it's heavy. Oh man, look at that. Now I want to warn you guys. Pretty much with every single fidget that I've ever first unboxed, I've always hated it right off the bat, and I've needed time in order to kind of really get to love it. So we'll see. I don't think I had that problem with Magnus. So okay, so like I said, so this is Starfish. Look, you can see it's texturized. Oh man, I'm so excited. Okay, so you can, oh man, oh, it feels nice in there. So this is a Teflon plate, but it feels soft. It almost feels like rubber. So there's a little groove. So I guess the point is you're supposed to be able to click it up and down, and then you can also click it sideways. So here's where I'm getting frustrated already because I'm not used to it. But let's see. So it wants to move up in the groove when you first go. Doesn't really make a haptic noise. Can you hear that? I'm sorry, I hit the camera. It's like a whooshing almost. Okay, so, okay, here. What's weird about it is when you have it engaged here, and you're playing around with it, you don't know which way the groove is. So that's weird. Okay, so I'm playing around with it haptic wise, and then it comes into the groove, but you can kind of circle it around. That was cool. Wait, what did I just do? All right, hold on. Dang. Okay, All right, is it back in now? Okay. So, flipping it around. I see, again, I don't know where the groove is. Oh, there it is, okay. Maybe if I hold it in the middle part there. Okay, so that creates a nice haptic sound. And when you have it out like this, you can, oh, that makes a nice sound because it kind of pushes up as you're spinning it. But it wants to come out of the groove. Okay. So I've been told that you can, when it's all the way extended, circle it down. Yeah, there's definitely a learning curve here. Circle it down, circle it up. Oh, you can't, man, you can't really press too hard on it because if you do, it just pops right out of the thing. So down. All right, that sounds pretty good. All right, so I gotta be able to, and there's no real good way to hold it either, because it's like these ridges kind of are a little sharp. I mean, not sharp, but they're, you know, like, I don't know if any of you guys ever have like fidget spinners, but people talk about hot spots where your fingers kind of rub and it hurts. That's what's there on these. So when you're holding it on the other end, it's like it feels a little weird. Maybe if I held it in between the little rivets. All right, let's try it again. Okay, so just doing this right here is not very satisfying. And here, oh, all right, one, what was that? Okay, all right. Maybe if I held it like a haptic coin. All right, that's pretty good. Although it's uncomfortable because of these ridges. Yeah, I mean, whew, if he didn't have these ridges on here, it would be way, way, way better because it's hard to grip. So let's see. Yeah, it's definitely uncomfortable. Yeah. All right, but let's take a look. Again, I don't know where the slot is. Oh, now it's down here. I guess you would want to know which way you're holding it before you start playing with it, so you know. So theoretically the back doesn't move, so I can actually hold it like this, although it's awkward to try to spin it. Yeah. And then it pops out. I might have to spend some time with this thing. Okay. Can I spin it at least while it's out? I mean, it's nice looking. I want to like it. But again, I don't like half of the fidgets I have. I didn't like when I first got, and I had to really tinker with them. And that's why I was like hesitating to do an unboxing, because I normally don't like fidgets right off the bat. But okay, so just sliding it up and down, that's pretty good. Again, it's hard to grip, it's hard to hold. Look at that. It's like a flying saucer. But man, it's uncomfortable, man. I don't know why he would do a design like this. Yeah, it's definitely not the greatest, but if I can hold it in between, I still want to be able to use it. But again, so here I'm starting, like, let's say I put it down, pick it up, I don't know which way to press on it now. Oh, this way. So you kind of have to figure that out first, and then maybe you can circle it down, circle it up, circle it down. I watched Magnus's video. Oh, by the way, correction corner from my last video. He is from New Zealand, not the Netherlands. So I just thought of like an N country. Yep, so sorry about that. Okay, so he had said that this was like the greatest thing, so you can have your cake and eat it too. Oop. Okay. Alright, so it's not really even easy to move. Yeah. The way he does these things is if people are buying actively, then he will still reproduce that thing. But if they don't, like he said, a lot of his fidgets, people were like all about when he first came out, and then they kind of just tapered off, like the Ridge, I think he said. But people are still consistently buying the Peak, the Toad, and the Toad X, so he's going to keep making those. I mean, that makes sense. He looks nice. Okay, so again, I don't know where. Oh, here it is. So I wonder if I have it slide sideways, if that would be better. That's weird. I don't know what just happened. Gosh, I can't even find. Oh, there it is. Okay. Oh. All right, so I gotta say, right off the bat, I do not like it. Disappointed. Feels good in the hand, except, I mean, the size of it and the weight of it feels good. But I don't like the design on it because it hurts. Like, it hurts your fingers. You see the indent already on my thumb? And that's just from me trying to... I have only played with it for like 10 minutes now. And then on top of that, let's say you wanted to just use it like a haptic coin. It keeps popping out of the thing. That sounded good, but then it's not consistent. And it pops out every once in a while. All right, let me see if I hold it like this. You guys can see what I'm talking about. You see that? Ooh, I guess when it hits that groove, but normally with a haptic coin, let me grab another one. Let me grab another haptic coin to kind of just show you. I just put them away, but hold on. Where's the other haptic coins? Okay, so oh, this one I love. Okay. This one I'm gonna do a review on, but this is the Umbury Mackie collaboration. Oh man, I love this thing. But anyway, so little size comparison, but listen. You know, feels good in the hand, smooth, comfortable. Got nice little click, click, click. But this does not. I mean, and it does take force to move it back and forth. But it's like a whooshing sound. Now, can I just use it like a slider? I mean, I can't slide it any other way or down, and then what the draw for me was that I could push it up, and I thought this would be kind of like the Compiform stuff, where you've got like a slot and you can move it each way, and oh man, it's really hard to use. Maybe if I held it this way with the rivet part down, like, okay, so I mean, I like the clanking it does, but then it wants to come out of the thing. Okay, so that's what I wanted. I wanted to be able to see, I wanted to be able to rotate it down and rotate it up. I think the problem is that the groove is not deep enough. See? There's not a lot of purchase there. So when you're spinning it and moving it, I think it jumps out of the slot there. See, I'm gonna have to spend some time with this and then But this, so far, I don't like it. Again, it hurts. Look at my thumb, man. Because I'm like trying to dig into it to work. I'm trying to put my fingers in between the little slots there. And then I have to use these bars kind of to move it because I have no other grip on there. Like if I were to try to use the space in between, it wants to slide up. Oh, it's frustrating. Yep. Maybe I can get good at it. I don't know. I want to be able to use it like a haptic because I love haptic coins. And then I want to be able to slide it up and slide it down, slide it up, slide it down, slide it up, slide it down. So that's what I wanted out of this thing. I think seriously the thing that might really be the biggest downfall is the grips on it. I mean, look at that. Look how thin. You see that? There's not, so even just to put your finger on it, it hurts. And I mean, Magnus makes his magnets pretty strong. So the magnet strength is good. I think it's perfect. See, if I try to pull it off, it takes a little bit of force. The magnet strength is perfect, and the feel of the inside is nice. If this, maybe if this design was on the outside, that would have been better. But yeah. And then you don't know where the rivet is. Yeah. All right, so right off the bat, I will say that I don't like it. But I always make sure to spend time with these things before I make a full decision. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play with it for a while and just keep it on me and be the only thing that I deal with and see if I can get good at it. And then I'll report back to you guys. I like that click. That click's pretty good. So maybe it's just a matter of getting better at it. So, but anyway, so like I said, I got it from Plants Wake You Up. It's a website. They actually have quite a few things on there, and they rotate their stuff back and forth. It actually got here pretty quick. It's from California, but they did 3-day shipping. So that was pretty nice. But, okay, so what I paid for this thing, I paid, I think $180. Now, I mean, it's a lot of metal. It's heavy. I don't have a scale, but, like, listen. I mean, this thing's heavy. It is a lot of titanium. And, of course, Zirc. So, I mean, material-wise, you know, you do get a nice amount for what you pay for. But, so, yeah, I think they might have been right in the Facebook group. This might have been no good. All right, well, anyway, be sure to like and subscribe and hit me down below a comment if you could. Just let me know how you like the video and what kind of things you might want to see in the future. And have you tried this? Do you like it? What other things of Magnus do you have? But just to let you know, I have plenty other branded fidgets that I'm gonna talk about, not just Magnus. This just came today, but all right, well, I will see you guys next time. Thank you for tuning in.